Good morning, one and all. My name is Jyoti. Today, I would like to teach you one interesting topic from functional English, that is the flow of communication. In our daily life, communication plays a major role. Without communication, we cannot convey message. Let's see what is communication. Children, do you know what is communication? I will tell you. Listen. Communication implies the act of exchanging ideas, thoughts, news, views, and any other information with another person through a channel is called the flow of communication. Human being is a social animal. So, without communication, we cannot pass a message. The flow of communication mainly four types. They are: one is downward communication, second one is upward communication, third one is lateral communication, and fourth one is diagonal communication. Here, lateral communication is also called horizontal communication, and diagonal communication is also called crosswise communication. Let's see deeply about this. First one, downward communication. Downward communication flows a manager down the chain of the command. When the manager inform, instruct, advise, or request to their subordinates, generally used to convey routine information, new policies or procedures, to seek clarifications, to ask for an analysis, and also superiors send feedback about their subordinates through this channel. Downward communication increases awareness about the organization among superiors and employees. Look here. Here is a picture. In this picture, Principal Ma'am gave her suggestions and advices to their staff members. Here, Principal Ma'am is the superior and the staff members are the subordinates. Here, communication flows from Principal Ma'am to employees. This is the best example of downward communication. Next one. Second one, upward communication. In this communication, when subordinates send reports to inform their superiors or to present their feelings and recommendations. Here, the communication flows upward from subordinates to superiors. It keeps managers aware of how employees feel about their jobs, about their colleagues, and about their organization also. Managers rely on this for some problem solvings and decision makings. Third one is lateral or horizontal communication. This form of communication takes place among peer groups, necessary to facilitate coordination, same time, and bridge the communication gaps between two departments. From the organization point of view, it can be advantageous or disadvantageous. It promotes better coordination of tasks. Horizontal communication encourages cooperation between employees and departments. It prevents of conflicts. It provides a support mechanism. Decision making is much easier as there is ample opportunities for information sharing. Here is a small peer group. They are expressing their health problems among them. This is the one of the example of lateral or horizontal communication. Let's see fourth one. Diagonal communication. It is also called as crosswise communication. This communication flows in all directions and acts across functions and levels of communications. This communication is manager to this communication is from manager to subordinates or subordinates to manager. It is quick and efficient. At times, it prevents employees being used just as a medium between sender and receiver. It increased usage of emails also encourages crosswise communications. It is also referred to as a radical or circular communication. In this communication, communication flows in all directions. Look at this picture. Here is a small girl. She is expressing her thoughts and views to their classmates and as well as higher and lower class students and to higher officials also. This is the one of the example of diagonal or crosswise communication. In this picture, communication flows in all directions. Flow of communication. Flow of communication is effective through a range of channels. They are emails, sending letters, meetings or conferences, notice boards or discussion boards, news group, conversations like face to face conversations or telephone conversations, team briefing, new letters. These are the communicative channels. Look at this picture. Here, two cute girls are there. They are talking on the mobile phone. Talking over the telephone is one of the best channel to communicate. Now I will conclude this session. Students, you learn more things. They are what is communication? Second one, what are the types of communications? They are upward communications, downward communications, lateral or horizontal communications, and last one, diagonal or crosswise communications. Next, you learn what are the channels of communication. I will give you one assignment to you. Let's see what is that. Students, here is a assignment paper. Look here. First one, answer the following questions. I will give you here 3 questions. You must answer those 3 questions. One is what is communication? And third one is what are the types of communications? Next one is what is upward communication and give one example. And next, second one, fill the blanks with suitable letters. Here I will give some words, but some letters are missing. You must choose correct letters and fill those blanks. Question number 3 is match the following with suitable answers. A. Diagonal communication. B. Communication channel. C. Communication from employee to manager. D. Horizontal communication. Next slide. A. Lateral communication, upward communication, crosswise communication, emails, downward communication. Choose correct answer. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.